Sketching also. Oh, there's.
Chat also ఉంది.
Yes, yes.
Start video also ఉంది. Animate themselves also ఉంది. Animate themselves also ఉంది. Start video also ఉంది.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay.
5 minutes.
Yeah, hello guys. Good evening. So yesterday we discussed. Yesterday we discussed. Yeah, yesterday we discussed only links for linking. Just use anchor tag. So anchor tag is the to navigate one page to another page. Just use anchor tag, guys. In that we have a different types of attributes like H reference, target, and title. Right. So, and we discussed one more element is image tag, guys. To display image on the web page, we just we have an image tag. And image also we have a attributes like src, height, width, and alternate. Right. So, see, as of now, we discussed only basic HTML elements and links for anchor tag and list and image, guys. And today we are going to discuss about list, guys. List. So we have data, right? So we have data. Just as of now, we are going to arrange the data using headings and paragraphs and links and images also, right? But I want to arrange data within the list, guys, like order list, like what you want to arrange any bullet points or right, bullet points or numbers or alphabets, right? So for that we just use list topic, guys. Today we are going to discuss about list. So using list, we are going to arrange the data in the form of numbers or okay, starting with bullet point, right? Is maybe it's a discar, square, circular, and numbers or alphabets or Roman letters like that, guys. We have. So generally in HTML we have a three types of list, guys. One is the unordered list. Next we have a ordered list, guys. And next we have a description list. And we can some of guys are going to call it's a definition list also. So in real time, we are going to use these two only, guys. Mainly we are going to use only an order list and order list. It's a very rare case. We just use a description list, guys. So in HTML, we have a three types of list. Those are an order list and description list, guys. Right? See. So first, I'm going to create a unordered list for that is the here we have a UL, guys. UL for unordered list. UL we have a LI, guys. List of so by default, you will get display, guys. You get like this. So by default, you get like this, guys. Okay. So here, UL for another list. It's a another list, and LI for list of items, guys. Okay. UL for what? Another list. And here, LI for list of items. Okay. By default, you will get the discount, guys. By default, you will get discount. So in list, we are going to use one attribute, guys. That is font change that bullet point. By default, you'll just now if want change any bullet like circular, square, or disc. So for that, we just use one attribute that is the type attribute, guys. Okay. So in UL, see, in UL, wait, color is the property. So here I'm going to use type attribute. In type, I'm going to use circle, guys. See, you will get like this, guys. Circle your bullet, your content, your data. Circle. Yes, Mistake now. Okay, sorry. It's okay. Yeah. Circles. Yes. Yeah. See guys, you get this circle line and your content will get nice. So you get in bullet point place, you will get that circle, guys. So by default, you have a disk only. Okay, if I use type is equal circle, you will get circles, and you can change this like type is equal square. Then you will get square box, guys. By default, you have a disk. You can change circle, and you can change square, and we can use a type is equal disk also. You will get disk also the same. Then you will get this one. Default disk and you can use disk also. Okay, and you don't want anything. We have only playlist. You don't want any bullet. We just use type is equal to none, guys. Just use type is equal here. Then you will get only plain data, guys. Okay, so just use another list like this, guys. Just take it out. Hmm. Hmm. That's it. Call to him. Okay, after that, we just call to him. You done, right, Hero? Okay. Okay, this is about another list, guys. Later I will show you. Next, we are going to discuss about order list, guys. So next we have a OL, guys. OL for order list. And again here we have a LI. LI for list of items. Element, yes. Block layout only. Good. LI also one of the block layout. Yes. So here OL for order list and LI for list of items. Same again. Here also LI for list of items. So by default, this is the order list, right? So by default, you will get numbers, guys. See, like this. Like this case. By default, you will get numbers. So here also we can use type attribute, guys. You can change the type. So here also we can use type attribute. So here type is equal. We have mentioned capital A, guys. Then you will get alphabets. Like this. Next type is equal small a, guys. And you can use type is equal capital I, guys. You will get the Roman letters. Small I, capital, both will use. Type is equal capital I, guys. You will get upper Roman letters. Small a, capital A, and small I. And this is the order list, right? Suppose I want to start my list from 10 onwards. Suppose 10, 10, 11, 12, like that. So for that, we can create like that list also. For that, we can create one more. We can use one more attribute, right? That is the start attribute. Start is equal, if I mention 10, then your list will be start from 10, 11, like this, guys. That is the use of start attribute. Okay, suppose if you want to start list from the alphabets, suppose J onwards, then what shall we do? No. Okay. Alphabet A, how? Someone raise a question, no? It's okay. Yeah. So further, we just use two attributes. Type capital A and start 10 only. Yeah, type C. But just I use start now. By default, OL what will do? Order list. So that's how you will get by default num. It will starting from 10 onwards. So I'm going to use type attribute. Type A means you will get capital alphabets. No, first type A means you will get capital alphabets. Now in that you have to start from 10 and A1, B2, C3 like that. They will
Type comma starts.
yes, both we have. There is no comma. There is no comma. You can do directly space and you can add. Well, type is equal to capital A. Start is not. So like this. That you're still starting from J. Okay. Okay, and we can arrange reverse also, guys. By default, you get 1 to 10. Now you want to start with from 10 to 1. For that, we can use one more attribute, that is the reverse attribute, guys. Reverse just. Then you listing from suppose 5, 4, 3. Like this case. Understood, right? So in order list, generally we are going to see how many attributes? How many attributes? 3 attributes: type, start, and reverse. Okay. So by default, you are going to normal numbers only. One change it to capital, just type is equal to a, small a, capital A, small a. You can use start attribute also. Where you want to start, you can start there only. And you can select that. Suppose if you want to start from Roman, suppose 10, then type I,
Type is start.
I.
Where you should start?
10 numbers. Something X.
Start 10. No, no, from where? J from 7.
So type is equal
I type equal to A.
I.
Starting from where is J then?
No, I means Roman letters, right? Just give the 10 only.
10.
Okay, then you come X, X1, X2, something it will come. Clear, right?
Reverse can be used.
Reverse side, that's just reverse side. Automatically it will come. You numbering from, suppose you have 5 elements, 5 list of items, it will come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You cannot start from zero one. Then reverse.
No, reverse, no.
If you type reverse directly, it will start from 5.
No, we need to check it.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is about order list. Clear, right? Next. Next we have a description list. It's a DL. Here we have a DL. It's a description list. So in the DL we have a DT, guys. It's a description term. In DT we have a DD, guys. Description data. Description list, description term, and description database. Like every list of head the term and next your data, it will take some indent space, right? That's it only. See, I will show you. So you get like this. Suppose this is your like heading like term only. Put like some space like this tab space, like indent space, and it will start the list only. You can use roughly I given. You can leave how it is. That is about description, guys. You get it? I will show. I'm going to take a new file. So So list.html. Okay. I'm going to open it with Notepad++. Just use Control D, so that we duplicate that line. See, you will get like this. So by default, you will get like this. Disk, right? By default, is a disk. We want change, we just use same list of items. Paste here. I'm going to use type attribute is equal circle. Equal circle. And here you have just use the square boxes. Okay. Next, and you can use disk also. By default, disk no, will be disk also. If you don't know anything, you just use type is equal none. You get the only plain data. Okay. This is about another list. Another list we have only one attribute, that is the type attribute. We have different types like square, circle, disk, and none. Clear? So, next, we are going order list. So here you have a order list. You just use OL order list of. Then you will get by default numbers. Okay. Type attribute. Capital I, then you will get the Roman letters. Small I guess. The small letters. And I want to start list from 10 onwards. Just I'm going to use start 10 onwards. Starting from 10 onwards. Suppose from J, what shall I do? I want to start list from the J onwards, guys. Then
Type
type capital A, whatever. And start. Then the list starting from J onwards. Right. But default started one only. One only. So we can reverse it. Why you ask it in reverse? Start from something, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then you like this also. Reverse also we can start from. So this is about order list. We have a description, guys. DL for description list. DL we have a DT description term. We have a D description data. That is the DL. Okay. Similarly, we have a three types of list: order list, and description list. Suppose you want to apply any stylings to this list, you just apply style attribute. Suppose I'm going to apply here, guys. I'm going to use style attribute. Background. Okay. And if you want individually, we just use same style attribute within the every element individually, right? Yeah. Okay. So we just apply it within the L level, and you can make it as a very attractive. You can apply to the in body whole body also. Right. Okay.
Background color, background different symbols.
See, background icon color you can use. So why we have like the property means, so in background we have so many properties like background icon color, background icon image, background size. We discuss later. In CS we discuss every property.
Difference in background color, background.
No different.
No difference.
Background color and background no difference. Okay, Uttar Singh. They agree, right?
Background color.
See, actually we have a color means we have a sub now. Background we have a hyphen color, hyphen image, hyphen position. Okay, hyphen repeat. We have so many properties. Like that in that we have a one. Okay, this is about list guys. And guys, you try to design like this. Guys, after complete your assignment, you just if you have any queries, you just drop into in our group, guys. In WhatsApp group, I will respond and I will get back to you guys everything. If any queries, you can ask me that. So you have design try to like this, guys. you just create one page. In that you just create a types of list. Okay, you just take one heading and one line, guys. Okay, next you just take three types of list: unordered list, ordered list, and descriptive list. So when you click onto the unordered list, automatically it will open one more page. In that you can show me all types of list, like in order list we have so many types of list, like type numbers, type, alphabets, everything, right? And in that you just create list and sublist also. See, we have a we just use order list, then you will get 1 to 3, right? Then in 3 you have one more sub list. That list starting from A and 1. There we have that you use one more attribute. Understood now?
Yes.
Clear, right? And when you click on the back, you just create one more back. When you click on the back button, automatically navigate to the index page. Clear, right? So, and this is about list. And guys, you do one more. You just something code print and the browser as it is, guys. You just print me this content on browser, guys, as it is with the tag also. Suppose if you are using only H2 now, automatically you will get it will be 2 only. But I need that elements of that Angular base H2 something and content and Angular base / H2 like that. Understood now? So that is your task only. No, you can't. You can't. You have to search for that tag. Clear now? Understood, right? So you just print as it is on the browser as it is. Just print me code on the browser as it is there. Just okay. That is one thing. And next one, guys, you observe now. See, every title bar you have a title with image also, guys. Okay, I want image like that. See, we have Zoom it now. We have image. WhatsApp we have image, but here you have only globe icon. Guys, I want image there.
Can I use order list?
Wait
For the tag. It has to bag has to do animations. Can I use order list?
Anything, any element. You can any element. I want print on the browser as it is.
Type equal to null.
Whatever it is. I want just show me some code as it is on the browser web page. Okay, and second one, what? Just print image on the title bar. You have to R&D and you have to search for the title. So we have a element name, but if I said like that, you directly Google it, you will get. So I don't want to say to you. Okay, you try to understand. You have to search it. I want image on the title bar here. Okay, that is your second image, second task, guys. Even you can search like that, you will get a solution. You have to understand. Okay, just two, guys, and this assignment also. And guys, everyone, please practice, guys. Without practice, you can't get anything. Okay, up to now I given 3 tasks, guys. See, using basic tasks, you have to finish one assignment. Okay, after this using links, 10 links also. And guys, if you have any queries, you can ask me, guys, up to this. Just a second, I'm going to enable the chat. You can ask me. No, actually the whole topic is can't, right? If in that you have any query, you can ask me, Hero. Second assignment, good. I will repeat. Sony, I will repeat. See, suppose if you are not unable to do that one, you just send me your code into that WhatsApp group, and I will come and I will explain you guys. Okay, first you have to try to start. Okay, See, in this assignment, you just take one web page. The web page is named like index.html. Okay, in that you just create one heading, guys. You can take any heading. After you just create one line for just take the HR, and next then you will get the links, guys. You can use anchor tag. You will get the home, about, service, content. That is for your links. So you want between the space, you can use NBSPR ampersand EMSP. That's your wish. Okay, but because by default you will get inline only, but you want more space, you just use entity, same thing. Is that NBSP or EMSP? Next, after that, you just insert one image, guys. The width should be 100 percentage. Then you will get more, and you give some height also. Then you can take one more paragraph, and you just apply background color for that. And next, take one more paragraph, and you can take one more background color. And next, down, you just take the one HR again and one footer information. Suppose all copyrights. You can put anything information. This is your index file. And next you can create one more file as this only. Okay, when you click onto the home button, you can show me one more home information, and click onto the back button again, it will like to the index page like that. So like that you should create one page for total 5 pages, guys. Okay, and this is your second assignment, and with this I will give one more also, guys. This one, please. See, so in this page, just take one heading, one HR and date. You can align to the right, and you just insert 3 images, guys. That is the Google image and Gmail image and Facebook image. Okay, when I'm click onto that Google image, automatically you should navigate to that Google page, google.com. So click onto the Gmail, I can navigate to the Google, Facebook, and like that. Okay, this is second assignment. Clear, guys? Margins, right? Rohit, margin will discuss next session, guys. If you want, you can search it Google, just margin, and can give some pixels only. Automatically it will apply. Okay, margin. See, margin and width you will later actually, but even you ask right, I will tell you. See, I'm going to apply whole margin to the body. See, margin. Just I'm going to apply 100 pixels. You try to understand. So 100 means it will going to apply the whole page. Top right, bottom left, it will apply. See, Rohit, like this. Okay, na? Top you have 100 pixels, and right here, left you have 100 pixel, and right you have 100 pixel, and bottom also. Just apply to the body, right, whole body, right. So it will take like this. We'll discuss later about this. Even see for your understanding, I given. Suppose border is all we are going to cover in CSS. So you try to understand. Suppose here border something 2 pixel solid. You get like this. So that is your space. That is your body margin I given na. So it will take like this, guys. Top right, bottom left, it will apply. Okay, that is our margin. If you want interest, you can apply, but later we'll discuss about margin. Okay, right. And is there any? Yeah. Yes, margin. Sorry, like that. It will apply. So for 4 sides, top right, bottom right, it will take. We'll discuss in margin. We have so many types of we can apply. And you just take H2 and you can give the underline for U tag. Na? You just use U tag. Okay. Guys, is there any? No, actually, it's not a box here. It's not a box. You just try to understand. My imagination, there is the whole page. Is it? See, this is the whole page, guys. There is no border. I mean, this is the whole page. And whole page. It's not a border or any box. Okay, you just give one heading and one HR and date and 3 images, again line and footer. That's there is no border. For understanding purpose, I given like that. Okay, there is no border. Anji, understood, right? Yes. Is there any queries? You just design and you can send it to the group, guys, in WhatsApp group. If you are not, then I will come and I will explain you.
LinkedIn, WhatsApp.
Who's asking?
For you.
Okay, guys, today also I'm going to share my WhatsApp link. Not everyone. Everyone meeting at 2 like that. Yeah, just you just use a paragraph only. See, I will show you. Just here I'm writing date. See here paragraph. You can take any element, not only paragraph. You can take H3 also, whatever it is. Okay. See, just I'm going to use a paragraph. Just date. You can print your date. Suppose it's 12/04 and 2020. So you'll yeah. So you'll get like this, guys. Okay. So style attribute, text align, right on. And here we want to adjust the th on top, right? So for that we just use here one more element, that is the superscript sup. Then you get like this. That's it. Understood, right, guys?
LinkedIn.
Yes, I sent it. Just you can check it. Yeah, sure, Rohit. Good. Just everyone meeting. Yeah, Rohit, I'll let me check. Yeah, good, Rohit. Yeah, good. Very nice. That's it. But scroll means you have to use here marquee tag, na? Rohit. Here you just use marquee element to scroll means don't write as scroll. Okay, here you just use marquee. Okay, I will show you. No problem. But anyhow, you tried very good. So here downloads. And try to add some colors also. See, for scrolling means you just apply scroll marquee. That's then you will get scroll like this row. And you can add colors also. Very good. You tried good. So same like you can practice second assignment also. Good, good. Clear, guys? And today class I'm going to share you.
That's it.
Again, no?
Mhm.
Okay, okay, sure. Guys, today also I'm going to forwarding all assignments again. You try to practice, guys. So with practice only you will get. Code first is codes, no? Capitals in HTML. No, it's not happening, Anji. So it's a HTML is the case insensitive language. Okay, case insensitive language. You can write small and capitals. It's not an issue, but as per the SEO rule and W3C standards, we need to write in lowercase only. If you are not, it's not an issue here. You can write anything. It's a case insensitive language. Okay, Anji. And clear, guys? Yes. Okay. 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 Hmm. It's recording, right? Yes, yes. Again, I'm forwarding previous classes session also, guys. So you just, if you want to send more than one file, you just rar and you can mail to me, guys. Okay, you can send, okay, more than one file, just rar and you can send. Okay, clear, guys? Okay, thank you. If you have clear, right? Okay, guys, and Wednesday we are going to discuss about tables, guys. How to create, how many ways to create. Okay, so like this, guys. So up to this, you have tomorrow. You have holiday, right? You have to practice everything. And if you have any queries, we'll discuss on Wednesday, guys. Thank you, guys. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.